guys, welcome or welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Ashley. For anybody new here, I share this channel with my twin sister Courtney, so you get two different houses on one channel, guys. So that means 2 videos per week, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. So today, as you guys can tell, I'm basically doing a tidy up of the house. It got a little bit destroyed this morning. I am in my gym clothes per usual because I cleaned it as soon as I got home. But yeah, so I'm starting out in the kitchen, trying to get everything off these counters. I went a little bit grocery shopping, had to get the odds and ends, and we put that away. And then I also hand washed dishes, put some away, and all that jazz. And then we move on to the dining room area, pick up that table and the floors, and get everything just kind of vacuum swept up and tidied up. If you're wondering too, I like to vacuum off my couch because I do have a dog. He is a pit bull, and he sheds a lot. Let me know if your pit bull sheds a lot also, but Courtney also has a pit and hers doesn't, so I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, so let me stop chit-chatting for now. Let's play some music, let's jam out, have some fun, entertainment, whatever it might be for you. But thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Let's get these groceries put away.
You're the drink, the capsule in the bottle, the damsel in a dress. You come to save me from distress. Stay the week, distract me from my problems. The war inside my head, make me forget I'm such a mess. I know it's selfish, but the only thing I want, oxytocin, high on hoping that the way you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin. I'm on the brink of my self-deprecation. I'm hanging from the precipice of empty promises. To myself, I can't help it, still nothing has changed. I need your therapy, euphoric chemistry to fix my brain. Oxytocin, high on hoping that the way that you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin, and I'm overdosing. You're my oxytocin. I put the rescue all on you as we lay in your driveway and look at the stars with your head on my shoulder, and I pull you close as we lay in your driveway like we're chasing cars with your head on my shoulder, and I pull you closer. I know it's selfish, but the only thing I want, oxytocin, high on hoping that the way that you love me can fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on emotion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin.
I'd say we're speeding through this pretty quickly, getting it all done. Once I am done wiping down the countertops, I start hand washing the dishes. So if you need some hand washing dish motivation, I got that for you guys.
Green eyes caught staring at the high life, wishing you could be like them. They got the fast cars, diamonds on the high rise, always looking like a 10. Yeah, the first class always.
I'm so mad. I did scrub out this sink, as you guys can see from the bubbles on the rim of the sink. So just wanted to quickly let you guys know that this side of the sink is scrubbed out. If you are new here, this is the side that I keep all of the clean dishes in to dry off. So I wash on the right and let them dry off on the left. I do not leave my dishes on the counter. It just takes up too much space. I do not have that much room. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in, let you know this part of the sink is scrubbed. But no worries if you still need to get some motivation to scrub down your sink. I do end up doing the other side, the right side, once I am all done washing these dishes.
Gotten everything they wanted. Turns out they're lonely just the same. So tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie. Cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side. Perfect smile, posing for the camera, checking my body names. They got the cool brands, followers and fans, yeah, it seems that they got it made. But the slaves to the superficial, fake friends in politics, oh, deep down they wish they could escape. So tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie. Cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side. Yeah. On the other side. On the other side. Oh. Honey's greener, sugar sweeter, till greed never leaves you satisfied. Tell me why you wanna live that kind of life. You want your name in flashing lights. You wanna chase that shallow high. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why you wanna sell yourself a lie. Cause in the end you'll realize it's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side. On the other side. Oh, on the other side. Oh, on the other side. It's gonna leave you cold and empty on the other side.
Okay, my friend, and here is the after of everything all picked up and wiped down nice and shiny and clean for now until I have to cook lunch and dinner. But then we move on to my dining room area. If you are enjoying this video, I would love it if you could please just take a moment and give it a thumbs up or write something down below in the comment section. And if you still haven't yet, please subscribe. So here it is, the overview of my dining room / game room area. I do not touch anything in the background of this room as it is not my mess and not my table. So the boys can clean up the gaming table. My duty is to clean the dining table. So I'm just going to pick up these books. The baby clearly had some fun getting into this shelving unit over here, which I'm actually thinking about moving out of this room because it just became a clutter-all collecting spot area. So I don't know yet. I'm still thinking about it. And plus I got to figure out where I would move it to because I really do still love this shelf. But let's get into finishing up this dining room so that way we can move up onto the living room.
Gotta reset, pick up my mess, but that barista takes a little too long. She's a caffeinated princess, full of regret of a night that bled into dawn. Carry on with the heat of the night, wrote a song. It's a shame that you gave a boost. with you. There are certain things that only after hours make me do. Don't care if you believe me, there is nothing I can say. Only what could be an outcome of us staying up till day. Modesty's left all in at rest, but I'm arriving to your dance in the dark. I anticipated this guest, made a new friend in the sick charade I put on. Carry on with the sweet feel dream from the song. It's a shame that it won't last too long. Anesthesia you crave all along. I beg for you. Only when my treatment can I see the obvious sign you're sending like I printed books of free done when I wake back to the same tension built till I can't even sleep. No, I can't sleep. No, no, I am for me. No, I can't sleep. No, 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 down with counting sheep. No, I can't sleep. No, 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 fantasy for me. So I can't sleep. You treat me bad. Me too. So good. I get treatment of me too.
It literally amazes me how much dirt and hair I pick up just from these two rooms alone. It literally, I get a half a canister, and mind you, I vacuum about every single day, or at least every other day. But let me tell you guys, it literally fills up my canister. It like I get shocked, and I've had this vacuum for over a year. That's how good this vacuum works. But here it is, the overview of everything all tidied up, and now we're going to move on to the living room. But I need to get back to saying what I was saying. I literally get so shocked. Let me know, like I said, let me know if your dog sheds just as much as my dog does, because it's literally insane. I will vacuum the next day and it'll still be again half a canister. It literally blows my mind. Let me know if I have the same problem, if you guys have the same problem as me, or my household is just crazy. But here's the overview I'm giving you of my living room. Sorry if you guys see different angles, this, that, and the other. I'm trying not to put my son here too much on YouTube. I'm trying to avoid that as much as possible because there are creepers out there. So that's why I have such an up-close weird angle on my living room. I am not going to move my child for me to have to record a cleaning video. I know this might sound mean to some people, but hopefully you guys understand where I am coming from. At least I'm still giving you the content. You can still see me picking it up. It's just some weird angles, and sorry but not sorry type of situation. I just hope you guys understand the situation. All right, let's get into cleaning.
Blindsided, worlds collided. You had me from hello till you came in focus. I barely noticed that I was all alone. One night, one kiss, now I'm addicted. You got me all fucked up. My head is spinning, I'm losing my shit. I need a hit right now. I had a little, and I wanna love. I wanna love, please don't keep me waiting. I've only had a taste of you. I had a little, and I wanna love. I wanna love, please don't keep me waiting. I've only had a taste of you. Love you, oh. No filter, got you in true color, like a tattoo on my mind. My clothes covered in perfume reminder brings me back every time. One night, one kiss, now I'm addicted. You got me all fucked up. My head is spinning, I'm losing my shit. I need a hit right now.
So we are all done with today's video. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today and taking time out of your day to watch my video. Even though you didn't have to, it means more than you guys will ever know. And I will see you guys next Thursday with a brand new video. And stay tuned for Courtney's video on Saturday morning, guys. So 2 videos per week. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, help our channel grow. Bye, guys.